What's my home worth? Don't let AVMs decide your divorce. In a Utah divorce, home values can swing tens of thousands of dollars. Automated valuation models, or AVMs like Zillow, Redfin, the quick online tools, are fine for curiosity and a good starting point, but they're wrong for court. Why AVMs miss? They can't see your home's actual condition, renovations, or deferred maintenance. They can't capture micro-market realities, views, lot quirks, school boundaries. Off-market error rates are high. In short, the stakes are too big for guesswork. What the court will trust? A full appraisal by a licensed appraiser, a comparative market analysis, or CMA, from a qualified broker who physically inspects the property. What practical steps can you take? We'll decide if you need one appraisal, stipulate to a neutral appraiser if you do, or two. Each side can get his or her own. Sometimes we do a joint appraiser with tiebreaker language if a dispute arises. Get the date right. Are we valuing now, or at separation, petition, or time of trial? That can matter a lot. If there are complex issues, additions without permits or unique properties, budget for a more detailed report. Bottom line, don't fight your divorce on a junk number. Anchor the biggest asset to most people's divorce to a credible valuation so you're negotiating from solid ground. For a more detailed discussion of this topic, check out Joe Gordon's guest blog on my website.